He was just a kid. They weren't watching. Little boy drowning in the lake that night. Counselors laughing by the firelight. Called out once, but they never came. Now the water remembers every name. Ripples on the surface, moon turned pale. Echoes of a child lost in hell. They said he was gone, but the lake still speaks with a cold, wet breath from the forest creeks. Stalker, don't close your eyes. Stalker, somebody dies. Stalker, the silence cries. Stalker, Jason rise. Mama lost her mind in a flash of red. Every night she whispered to the voice in her head. They let you drown, they play while you die. Now make them pay, and the woods complied. Knives in the dark, rain in the hair. Every scream just a mother's prayer. They stopped her heart, but the curse stayed near, and the boy in the water began to hear. Stalker, don't close your eyes. Stalker, somebody dies. Stalker, the silence cries. Stalker, Jason rise. Cold hand breaks through the mud and moss. Mask on his face, machetes crossed. No heartbeat, no soul to save, just vengeance crawling out the grave. He walks through the fog where the moonlight bleeds, drawn by the sound of the guilty's pleas. He don't remember why, he don't remember when, but he's stuck in the loop, kill again, again. Stalker, don't close your eyes. Stalker, somebody dies. Stalker, the silence cries. Stalker, Jason rise. Now the woods hum low when the night turns black. Every footstep warns he's back. Can't kill what's cursed, can't drown the past. Evil like that forever lasts. He is the lake, the fog, the pain, the whisper in your ear when you hear that rain. So if you feel the chill and you can't explain, don't run, it's already too late. Stalker, don't